Welcome, Dr. S. Thangamani, Head of the Department, BCom Finance. Technical Investigation and Analysis. Explain about the topic Types of Research. What is research? Research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. Then, definition of research. According to the American sociologist Errol Robert Bobby, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. Types of research: exploratory research, descriptive research, correlation research, explanatory research. Then another one, quantitative and qualitative research. First one, exploratory research. Exploratory research is a type of research conducted for a problem that has not been clearly defined. Exploratory research helps determine the best research design, data collection method, and selection of subject. Exploratory research can be quite informal, relying on secondary research such as reviewing available literature and data, or qualitative approach such as formal discussions with consumers, employees, management, or competitors, and more formal approaches through in-depth interviews, focus group, projective method, case studies, or pilot studies. Then another types of research, descriptive research. Descriptive research, an in-depth study of an individual, a situation, group, organization, or phenomenon which aims to describe the object of study accurately. Descriptive research is non-experimental research designed to discover new meaning and to provide new knowledge where there is very little known about phenomena of interest. Data collection by using one or more appropriate method and observation, interviewing, and mail questionnaire. Descriptive research aims at answering what and why of the current state of some system. Then another research, correlational research. The relationship among two or more variables are studied without any attempt to influence them. Investigate the possibility of relationship between only two variables, although investigations of more than two variables are common, a form of descriptive research because it descriptive and existing relationship between variable. Then another types of research, explanatory research. Explanatory research is very easy to understand. It is research which is making for discovering a problem that hasn't ever been studied clearly to make definitions and explanations that haven't made before and improve final result. Purpose of explanatory research, increasing understanding, flexibility of sources, better conclusions, inquiry mode or common information sought. Then another one, qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative data analysis. First step, organizing the collected data, and another one, identification of framework. Third one, sorting the data into a framework. Fourth one, descriptive analysis based on the framework. Last one, second order analysis. Then steps in qualitative research. First one, theory. Second one, hypothesis. Third step, research design. Fourth step, operationalizing concept. Fifth one, selecting research site. Sixth one, selecting respondent. Then seventh steps, data collection. 8th step, data processing. 9th step, data analysis. 10th step, findings and conclusion. 11th one, publishing result. Thank you.